Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to customize cutout videos in Capcut. So here I've already imported a video, and if you want to cut out only, for example, the person or object in a video, you can use the customize cutout option. So first, just click on the clip and go to cutout and click on the customize cutout. Okay, so here there will be two options, quick brush and also brush, but this wipe is for the eraser. So if you are on the Capcut Pro, you can use the quick brush, or if you are on the free Capcut, you can use the brush. Okay, I'm going to use the quick brush first. You can just brush the object in the video like this, and Capcut will detect the object like this. It will become red and it will automatically remove the background of the video, and you can just wait for the result until it finishes. Okay, so after that you can just click on the check icon, and now the video will look like this. You can see that there are some of the background, white background, which still there. You can use the white feature for this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Thank you.